What is happening, iPad Focus fam? Get ready, because we've got some huge Apple news coming at you at lightning speed. First up, a major investment firm, Acadian Asset Management LLC, has made a significant shift in its Apple Inc. holdings. Are they betting for or against the iPhone maker? We've got all the details on how Acadian Asset Management LLC has lessened its position by over 16%, selling nearly 1 million shares. This move makes you wonder about their long-term outlook for the tech giant. Then, we're diving deep into how another key player, Geneos Wealth Management Inc., is adjusting its stake in Apple and what that could mean for the stock. Geneos Wealth Management Inc. has actually raised its stake, buying an additional 26,000 shares. We'll break down what this increase signifies and how it contrasts with other institutional shifts. But that's not all, folks. Get ready for a massive software reveal as Apple is dropping iOS 26 today, and we've got the inside scoop on the game-changing features that will make your iPhone feel brand new. We're talking about a complete reimagining of the iPhone interface with liquid glass and smart new communication tools that are set to redefine your daily digital experience. And finally, we're tackling a critical message from news group newspapers regarding automated access and data mining. What does this mean for content creators and users alike? News Group Newspapers Limited has issued a strict prohibition and will explain the implications. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Acadian Asset Management LLC makes major move, sells millions in Apple stock. In a significant financial maneuver that has the market buzzing, Acadian Asset Management LLC has notably reduced its position in Apple Inc., shedding 16.5% of its holdings. This move involved selling a substantial 944,182 shares of the tech giant during the first quarter, according to their latest filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission. While Apple remains Acadian's largest single holding, making up about 3% of their portfolio and valued at over $1 billion, this reduction signals a potential shift in strategy or outlook from the investment firm. The market is watching closely as other institutional investors have also recently adjusted their Apple stakes. Firms like Burkett Financial Services, LLC, and Avid Wealth Partners, LLC, have seen modest increases, while Andina Capital Management, LLC, made a dramatic 209.2% surge in its Apple holdings. Despite these varied institutional activities, with overall institutional ownership at 67.73%, the news from Acadian Asset Management, LLC, stands out due to the sheer volume of shares divested. Adding to the intrigue, Apple SVP Deirdre O'Brien also sold a considerable number of shares, though the company's recent quarterly earnings beat expectations and analysts maintain a generally positive outlook with a consensus, moderate buy rating. How will this significant sell-off by Acadian Asset Management, LLC impact Apple's stock trajectory in the coming weeks? Stay tuned as we break down the ripple effects and what it means for your investments. Next, we're looking at how another major firm is boosting its Apple holdings. Geneos Wealth Management Inc. ups Apple investment amidst market shifts. While some institutions are trimming their stakes, Geneos Wealth Management Inc. has taken a different approach, significantly increasing its investment in Apple Inc. during the first quarter. The firm boosted its holdings by 16.6%, acquiring an additional 26,772 shares. This strategic move means Apple now represents 1.4% of Geneos Wealth Management Inc.'s portfolio, solidifying its position as the firm's fifth-largest holding, with the total value of their Apple shares reaching over $41 million. This action by Geneos Wealth Management Inc. contrasts with the recent divestment by Acadian Asset Management, LLC, highlighting a divergence in institutional sentiment towards Apple. While other investors like Burkett Financial Services, LLC, and Avid Wealth Partners, LLC, have made smaller adjustments, the significant increase from Geneos Wealth Management Inc. warrants attention. Apple's stock, despite market fluctuations and analyst rating adjustments, continues to show resilience, with recent earnings beating expectations and a generally positive analyst consensus. The company's robust financial performance and ongoing product innovation provide a strong foundation for such investment decisions. What does this buying spree from Geneos Wealth Management, Inc. signal for Apple's future performance? Find out as we dissect the implications. But first, get ready for a major iOS update that's set to revolutionize your iPhone experience. iOS 26 drops today. Your iPhone is about to get a major overhaul. Get ready to experience your iPhone like never before, because Apple is officially releasing iOS 26 today. This isn't just another minor update. Apple has completely reimagined the iPhone's interface, promising to make your device feel brand new, even if you're rocking an iPhone 11 or later model. The star of the show is Liquid Glass, a stunning new design element that gives menus, buttons, and app icons a transparent, light-reflecting quality, making your device look sleek and futuristic. Imagine your app icons seamlessly blending with your wallpaper, appearing to float with subtle animations. This new aesthetic provides a clean, consistent, and incredibly modern look across the entire Apple ecosystem. Beyond the visual feast, iOS 26 also introduces a suite of smart communication features and thoughtful touches designed to streamline your daily life, making interactions more intuitive and efficient. This release is poised to set a new standard for mobile operating systems. Are you ready for the future of the iPhone interface? We're diving into all the cool new features next. But before that, a crucial message about content access you need to hear. News Group Newspapers issues strict warning on automated access. Attention all users and content creators. News Group Newspapers Limited has issued a stern notice, flagging potential automated user behavior and reinforcing its terms and conditions regarding the access, collection, and text or data mining of content from their services. This includes a prohibition for any automated means, whether direct or through intermediaries, and explicitly mentions AI, machine learning, or LLMs. For those looking to inquire about the commercial use of their content, News Group Newspapers directs inquiries to crawl permission at News Co. UK. They acknowledge that their system can occasionally misinterpret legitimate human behavior as automated, and in such cases, users are advised to contact their customer support team at help@Thesson Co. UK. This clear stance by News Group Newspapers underscores the growing concerns around data scraping and the protection of intellectual property in the digital age, reminding everyone of the importance of adhering to terms of service. What does this strict policy from News Group Newspapers mean for the future of online content interaction? We'll discuss the broader implications. And now, for our lightning round recap of all the top Apple news today. And that's a wrap on today's top stories. Acadian Asset Management, LLC made a significant move, lessening their Apple holdings, while Geneos Wealth Management, Inc. boosted theirs. Apple is rolling out iOS 26 today with a stunning new interface, and News Group Newspapers has issued a critical warning about automated access. Don't miss out on any of our future updates. Smash that like button, subscribe to iPad Focus, ring the notification bell, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Plus, follow us on all social media platforms to stay connected. We'll see you in the next one.